So, as I mentioned before, humor is incredibly important. There's lots of ways to do humor. Unexpected humor activates the reward system. And so people can actually enjoy your videos when you just insert a little bit of humor in it. So it's critical for online learning. You want to start your videos with a bit of humor, have a tiny bit of humor like every 10 or 20 minutes, and then end with a little bit of humor. You may ask yourself, what do I do if I'm not funny? Well, first off, remember, even if the humor is dreadful, it's really appreciated because the material can sometimes be dry. Ask your friends, your kids, your spouse, whoever, for ideas about funny things. And you can learn a lot of things. They may take you to websites of jokes and so forth. And if you're teaching something in particular, there's often really funny jokes related to that discipline. And those can be a nice little break. For example, we all know the old joke about optimists, right? An optimist thinks the glass is half full, pessimist thinks they're half empty, but the engineer thinks the glass is over-designed, right? It should be smaller. So that's our little pathetic engineering joke, but it can break things up. Sometimes, and it depends on what country you're in, if you're teaching for specific students and it's in the learning management system of your university, you can have snippets of movies, little things you find on the internet and so forth. Also, use fun pictures for momentary interludes. Even just a momentary picture that's just a little offbeat and unexpected can help people sort of take a little break, remove their focus from something so that they can then much more easily come back with a little bit of refreshed take on something, and they can dive more deeply into something that's more difficult.